Hi, one of my favorite things is something that you make yourself within, I don't even think it's going to take you 45 seconds. It is so easy peasy for acne, for your skin. So what I'm doing is I'm making a tea, okay? I have 2 tea bags in here in this cup. And one is green tea. So I have a green tea bag in here. And then I have lemon ginger tea bag in there. And I just poured boiling water over them. And I am going to let that sit overnight. And then tomorrow we are going to make an easy peasy facial toner that is awesome for acne. Okay, so we have our steeped tea. This has been steeping overnight. We're going to use a cup of this steeped tea. And the other half, I'll probably have a nice tea this afternoon. But we need a cup for our recipe for today. And we need a glass jar. You know I don't like plastic because it leaches into the properties of the essential oils, and there's estrogens and all kinds of chemicals in plastics that you don't want to put on your skin. So you're going to have a glass dark jar. It doesn't have to be brown. It can be whatever color you want, green, whatever. And you're going to have Rosemary Essential Oils. So remember we talked about essential oils. It's a very high concentrate of oil from plants. This is from the rosemary plant, and it gives a lot of benefits when you use it. You just have to use it wisely. You can't use too much because it's very, very concentrated. So, you know, don't go willy-nilly. If I say, you know, 32 drops, don't go 64, but, you know, because I'm saying that because that's something that I would do. I would say, well, if 32 drops is good, 64 must be great. But no, you have to watch with essential oils because you can overdo it. So this is a rosemary essential oil. You can get these online. You can get them at your local health food store. Just go with a company that you love and that you feel is reputable and get some nice essential oils. They're awesome. So what I'm going to do is fill this jar with a cup of our tea. Okay, and then I'm going to put 32 drops of the rosemary essential oil in there. And there are so many good properties that this will do for your skin. The green tea has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, it unclogs pores, it has anti-aging benefits. So all of these things are awesome for acne or blemishes. And then the lemon ginger tea, the ginger smooths your skin tone, and it also has a property in it that if you read up on it, it'll actually lighten scars if you use it on an ongoing basis. So it's really, really nutrient rich for your skin. The ginger as well has antibacterial, antiviral properties. So again, you know, when you're talking about acne or blemishes, that's actually a bacteria problem that's sitting on your skin. So the ginger is awesome for that. And the lemon is also, it evens your skin tones and gives you those beautiful antibacterial properties. So we've got a cup of green tea, or a cup of tea that's made out of a combination of green tea and lemon ginger tea. So we just made it out of 2 regular tea bags from the health food store. And then we've put a cup of that tea in this jar with 32 drops of the rosemary essential oil. I have to tell you, it smells like heaven. And you're going to use this as a skin toner. All you do is tip it over every time you use it to disperse the essential oils. Take a makeup cotton pad and put it on your face. Now this is great for men, women, it doesn't matter. Whoever wants to use it, it's awesome. You can use it, like I said, it's great for acne, but if you just want to have some nice even skin tone and some anti-aging benefits, it's also good for that. But it's the prime thing for this is the anti-acne and anti-blemish, because it really attacks the bacteria and the you know, it's got antioxidants in it, so it's really, really good for your skin, right? So one of my favorite things, green tea, lemon, ginger facial toner that you make in about 45 seconds. I know, it took us 4 minutes and 33 seconds to sit here and talk, but that's because I talk a lot. If I wasn't here talking to you and you were just making it, put your little watch on. I bet you it's 45 seconds or less, right? And then you've got a beautiful skin toner. Tip it up every time you use it. Put it on your skin. Right? Awesome. You have a great day.